Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonderful world of English one word at a time. I am your host, Alex, and today we are delving into the word charge. This is a B1 level noun meaning a price or responsibility. Now, what does this mean? Well, charge can refer to the amount of money you have to pay for something like a service or a product. For instance, there might be an entrance charge to get into a museum, or you might have a delivery charge. When you order online, charge can also refer to a responsibility or duty someone has. For example, someone might be in charge of a project at work. Let's explore some synonyms. A synonym for charge, when we are talking about money, could be fee. There is a small fee for using the gym. Another synonym is cost. The cost of the repairs was quite high. When we are talking about a responsibility, a good synonym is duty. It is my duty to ensure everyone is safe. Now, let's think about some antonyms. An antonym for charge, when it refers to money, could be discount. They offered a 20% discount. Another antonym could be free. Entrance to the park is free. For responsibility, antonyms are harder, but we could think of exemption, meaning being freed from responsibility. For example, she was given an exemption from jury duty. How might you use charge in everyday life? You might say, I need to check my bank statement for any unexpected charges, or you might hear someone say, who is in charge of organizing the party? Some examples are, the parking charge is $5. He accepted the charge of looking after the children, and the battery needs a charge. So to recap, charge is a B1 level noun meaning a price or responsibility. We learned some synonyms like fee, cost, and duty, and antonyms like discount and free. We also explored how you might use this word in everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. Please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show and learn with us. I encourage you to create your own sentence about the word charge and share it as a comment under this video. See you next time.